Bonjour, today I'll show you how to make this reflected letter in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to easily create this 3D letter reflecting on the ground by using the transformation tool and how to add a polka dot pattern to your artwork. You can get the color palette I use for free by clicking on the link just below this video. These are the canvas settings I'll be using for this tutorial. First, we are going to set the background color. Tap the color button, then drop this light blue color from your color palette on your canvas. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this orange color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then add text, then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. I'm going to use the Eric One font. You can download it thanks to the link just below this video. Put it in a large size, then tap Done. Tap the transformation tool and put your letter in the size you want. Now tap on your layer, tap Rasterize, then tap Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Grab the soft brush, select this darker orange color from the color palette, then use your brush at the bottom of your letter. Now select this lighter orange color and use it at the top. Let's create the simple 3D effect. Duplicate your layer. Select the bottom one. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Then decrease the brightness to 35%. Tap the transformation tool icon, then move your layer slightly towards the bottom right. Disable Alpha Lock. Tap the selection tool icon, put it in freehand mode and color fill enabled. Select this color from the bottom of your letter, then fill the gap between the two edges. Tap the selection tool icon to commit. Then follow the same process at the top. Select this color from your letter, then fill the gap between the two edges. Let's add a subtle highlight. Duplicate the layer with your letter. Select this one. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness, then increase the brightness to 70%. Tap the Transformation tool icon, then move your layer slightly towards the top left. Merge your three layers by pitching them together. Now let's create the reflection effect. Create a new layer here. Tap the selection tool icon and put it in rectangle mode with color fill disabled. Select the bottom part of your artwork. Then grab this blue color and use your soft brush at the top part of your selection. Now duplicate the layer with your letter put the duplicate one here, tap on it, then tap Mask. If you want to learn more about Mask, I invite you to watch this video, tap the transformation tool icon and put it in freeform mode, grab this node and move it down, then move your mirrored letter down. Select the mask layer. Make sure to have the black color selected. Use the soft brush at the bottom of your mirrored letter. Let's create the background with the polka dot pattern. But first, select this layer, select this light color, then use your soft brush on the bottom and top of your artwork. Create a new layer above. Tap the letter N and put the overlay blend mode. Select the color black. Go to your brush library, textures, and select the decimals brush. First, try your brush on your canvas and find the brush size that works best for you. Then use your brush on your entire canvas. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 100%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 3%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 10%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. So until the next one, bonsoir!